Since 8 years, we had already worked with the adidas Future team on process and material innovation projects and the design potential within those. In 2015, adidas invited us to join a consortium for a 3-year R&D project around sustainable footwear manufacturing. The consortium contained experts from various fields: sports science, material science, manufacturing, automation, consumer culture, most of all design and creative. Sport Infinity is about sustainable manufacturing of sports goods embedded in a circular business model. Key for success in this case and beyond is a cross-industry partnership to leverage a better brand experience. What struck me most in Sport Infinity was that by overlaying and overlapping different layers of information from the various experts, we saw new patterns and discovered new opportunities for future product unseen before. So this configurator tool is actually the essence of the project because it contains all the layers of information. We've learned about the material science in a way that we came up with parameters for manufacturing, leading to a configurator for developers and for consumers alike. We've created a system that uses a monolayer and steers material into the areas where it's needed. Less on the flexible side, more on the stiff side. And we learned how to work with the visual properties of that process to give it a unique look.